Remove the screws from the controller and cover. Remove the crank screw. Use special tools to remove the crankshaft. Use a wrench to remove the chain wheel fixing screws. Remove chain wheel. If there are no specialized tools available, use a hammer to tap and loosen the bottom bracket fixing screws. Remove the bottom bracket. Replace with a new torque sensor. Align the card slot. Tighten the screws. Install chain wheel. Tighten the screws. Installing the crankshaft. Tighten the screws. Align the arrow to connect the control line. Installing the controller and cover. Tighten the screws. Replacement completed.